Got it now.
Well, that was a surprise. Surprise, surprise. Why does this look weird? Does that look weird? Like bubbly?
It looks bigger.
Yes. Something looks different about it. Oh, when it starts.
Now, is he going to go back down over Vandenberg?
Okay, wait a minute, wait. Okay, I was, yeah, that something was weird. There was like a weird, must have gone through like a fog bank. It was, oh shit, I don't have my other glasses on. No wonder everything looks so bad. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh,
It's going in and out of focus.
Trying to not, well, you're not touching anything.
No,
right?
I'm not doing anything.
As far back as it can go.
Yep.
It's still going out of focus just while you're on that.
Yeah. Shoot.
It shouldn't. Don't move it around. No fast. Geez, where'd it go?
It's gone now.
It is, but it's not. It's cruising. This time I got it. It's above that star. Where's the star? Now, when I start
Oh, there it is, yeah.
moving around. You see it?
Uh-huh.
Where?
It's above
I
the...
look down.
See, it's right to the...
Oh, right here. Oh, for... That does look good if I can get it on the camera. There it is.
Yeah.
Thank you, Father. I've been doing a lot of praying just to get through these Monday till tomorrow. I didn't think it would affect me, but all day yesterday I was on the throne of thought. See, the sun's hitting it. Looks good, huh?
Yeah, I like that.
Is it fuzzy with you?
No.
Good.
It's straightened out.
Now, why don't I try to back up and get... No, it's not letting me. I'm not going to mess with it. Yeah, see, good. It's still... The sun's still... So we should be able to get this until it's in space. Don't say anything. Oh, I want to back up so bad. But you got it far back, right?
Yeah, I've got it. Yeah.
So it looks like the whole plume you can see?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to just stay how I got it then. Wow, that's really a good shot. See, I tried to fix that camera and this one, and I made them both worse. I tried that to not go out of focus, and now I can't. It goes out of focus when I'm just shooting a guitar video. I'm like, great, and now it's just. I shouldn't have touched it. They seem nuts.
I don't think so.
That's perfect. Whoa, this thing's spitting out stuff. I just touched it enough to get it perfect in focus. And you can see,
I'm starting to lose it now.
oh, look for the, oh, it's landing. Get the landing.
Where is it? I can't see it.
See it? Right in front of you?
Yeah, I'm trying. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. I think I got it. It's gone now.
Alright. Well, if you can find it again, try to find it. I've got it still. It's just a dot. This looks like a star.
Is that
now.
thing there?
It looks like a star.
But it's moving.
No, it's above and out from where the dot is if you go up.
Yeah, I can't see it.
I mean, to me, it looks like just a
Oh, there it is.
beep.
It's tiny.
You see it?
Kind of. No, that might not be it.
Mine is pretty much gone.
Yeah, no.
I mean, this thing is trucking away from us so fast that we can't get the cool ones like we used to. That's why I'm thinking the next best is going on to Mulholland and shooting it from there. Because that way we could actually get the landing.